Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today in this very tutorial, I will show you guys how to fix Windows 11 updates, stuck at 0% downloading. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, what you have to do, you just need to right-click on your Start menu. Click on Settings over here. Once it'll open Settings window, what you have to do, you just need to click on System from your website. On your right side, you will gate Troubleshoot option. Just click on that Troubleshoot. Now under Troubleshoot, you will gate Other Troubleshooter option. So click on that. Now here you'll gate Windows Update. So click on Run the Troubleshoot option. And after that, it'll detect and fix your problem automatically. As you can see, it's showing like you need to restart your PC. So you have to restart and check your update is working or not still. If your problem is there after the start, then I will suggest you to go to your Start or Search menu and type O here, CMD. Now I click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. After that, click on Yes. And now here you just need to type some command which I'll give you on my video description. So the command is called nate, then space, then stop wuauserv, and press enter. Basically, it'll stop your update service. Once it's all done, you just need to put another command, which is called netstop. Then bits. After that, press enter. Once it's all done, you just need to close this window and close this command prompt, or else you can minimize. And after that, you just need to go to your My Computer, go to Under C Drive, go to Under Windows folder. And here you just need to find the folder called Software Distribution. Now delete everything under Software Distribution. It's the C, delete from here. So after done, you just need to restart your computer software. Restart. You just need to open CMD, and you just need to type the Start command. And after that, you just need to type net-start-bits command. It's all the command. I will give you my video description so you can copy from there. And once it'll done, you just need to your update service and it'll fix your problem. So you hope this quick tutorial will really help for you. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any negotiation, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.